tell me what you're doing, Co, because you're on the movie.
So we made this new Mindstorm robot, and see, it's a humanoid, and so we'll go to My Files.
Hi, T.
And we can make it walk.
Let's see.
It's being warmed up right now, but then soon it'll walk.
He's doing like a little shuffle step.
Yeah. He's warming his legs. Now it's gonna walk. It'll soon fall, so it'll maybe fall.
Wow. What's his name?
Alpharex. And now it's going backward.
Wow. Yeah, he does kind of teeter-totter to the side, huh?
Sometimes it goes, and it has eyes on the screen. But now you can go back to view and put on color part 3. And now I have a yellow ball in here, and it says yellow if you could see.
Let's see if I can see that. Can you see that? Yeah, it's kind of tough. Yellow. Wow. Excellent, guys. Good job, Daddy.